Hi everyone, I want to share a beautiful, gorgeous graphic 45. This is the Botanical line loaded envelope by my friend Carrie. We did a swap on scrapbook.com and I just want to absolutely share this piece of art. It's absolutely gorgeous. And we will start right from the very beginning. This is an incredible little dragonfly from Renee's Boutique. And I'm not sure if you can see all the shimmer and the glimmer on that, but those dragonflies and her butterflies are absolutely gorgeous. And that's Renee's Boutique online and Facebook. There is a nice, beautiful pearl and bling piece right there. This is, again, the Botanical paper line, and this is a wood veneer. I'm going to set this down, and we're going to go through each pocket. So she sent me some cutouts from the paper line. And this is just using, having some flowers and some bird pieces, large paper clip in the glassine envelopes, double-sided paper, and a pretty, really nice tag. And it looks like seam binding for her, her tassel there at the top. There are these two sticks. They look like little swizzle sticks with candy, but they're actually seed beads. And let me show you those too. What a creative idea. I would have never in a million years thought about doing that. And aqua happens to be my favorite color, so I'm quite fortunate for that. This rose is on another large paper clip, and not sure of the line. That could be a I'm not sure. Michael's a Prima probably. Knowing Carrie, it's probably a Prima. And I think that takes care of everything in that front pocket. And there's another picture. We'll just get another view of that gorgeous dragonfly in bling right there. Now, this is like my favorite part of the entire loaded envelope, is check this shaker wand out. So let me do the back first. So just a regular die cut piece of the board from, again, graphic 45. Lace, some lace trim here. Look at this though. So this shaker is done similarly to like Michelle Randolph's on YouTube. There's a tutorial on how to do that. This is a half of a ornament from Christmas. You can get that in the craft stores. You just take it apart and then you use the piece that has the plastic knob on it. And then that usually gets tucked down inside. Anyway, so let me show you the paper. So the paper is a really pretty bird there in the back. And then there's all these pearls, a couple of roses, probably acrylic. And then there's a silver key if we can find it. There it is. And there is the key that's inside. This thing is just absolutely gorgeous. A lace bow, some more trims, some more pink seam binding in the back there. This is a ton of fun. I am totally in love with this Carrie, and I'm pretty sure she might see this later on when it gets uploaded. So I'm going to set that off to the side there. Another beautiful tag from the paper line. Some trim pieces to use for accents. Probably from Hobby Lobby by the looks of it. I have some similar pieces, but not the blue. This is really pretty and it matches the paper beautifully. So I can't wait to get in there and use those. She also sent some more goodies. Lots of little packages here. There are laser die cut wood pieces. I see some flowers and some birds. Those are really small. And these can be either stained or painted or just used as is. So again, paper pieces, or I'm sorry, the laser wooden pieces. And in this one, she sent me some Swarovski crystals. And I love making beaded things and stick pins especially. So I really appreciate that. I'm going to put that there. Some more bling and flat back pearls, Prima's pieces, and Martha Stewart's. Wonderful. Can't wait. Can't wait to use any of these things. Okay, so that takes care of the second pocket. So this is in a loaded envelope with 3 pockets, small, medium, and basically large. So let me take all of these out up here, and then I'm going to show you the back, and I'm going to show you the grand finale here. There are some. I'm going to actually open this up. How about that? I hadn't even opened this yet. I have to admit that I took a peek when I first got it, and then just decided to hang on to everything. Oh, I'm so excited about these teacups, and I haven't done a teacup themed either loaded envelope or pocket letter yet. Some wings, and then some metal, I don't know what those square embellishments are called, but anyway, some metal square pieces here. And then die cut chairs. They're called Fab Scraps. Thank you, Carrie. So excited about this. And then she closed off this envelope with more paper, a doily, and she has some larger pieces in here. So this is again from the paper line, again Botanical. So there's a rose and dragonfly. I am totally infatuated with dragonflies. Butterflies, hummingbirds, there's another dragonfly, and beautiful damask roses, more hummingbirds. Man, my mom would have loved that. She loved her hummingbirds. And thinking of you, that's a beautiful, beautiful piece as a background. And there's that one says, hello friend. And I love that too. Oh man, she got it right with all the dragonflies. Love my dragonflies. Okay, so I'm gonna put that aside. There is another large tag. I would love to know what die cut she has. And if you can see my little boy here, sorry about that. He's in the way. More hummingbirds, more seam binding that she dyed also. I'm gonna push him out of the way there. And she did this again with another doily. Well, actually, it's a die cut doily though. More paper and larger die cuts. I'm so excited about this. I can't wait to see these. So we have some library cards and probably some Tim Holtz die cuts. I love the doily. Look how pretty that is. They're really pretty, either left white or colored. And then some other larger die cuts here. Thank you so much, Carrie. I'm going to lift this up and see if there's anything else down inside. And there are two more things. My, she loaded this up. So we have some butter. Oops, didn't mean to rip that. There we go. Some lace butterfly embellishments. There are 3 of those. These are so pretty, and I still haven't figured out where to order these from yet. I guess on Etsy and some other places online. And then she gave me some more of the paper line chipboards. Butterfly, bird, and hummingbird, and another bird. These are so pretty. I love them. That's one thing about the Graphic 45 line is, man, you get so many coordinating pieces there. All right, so we're going to turn this over. And just a flat, the same thing, the chipboard piece there. And this gorgeous paper is just really, really pretty. It says flora and fauna, some birds, dragonfly again. Now I get to show you this gorgeous tassel that is metal embellishments. And I'm hoping that this is right in sight here. So she took necklace chain, and I had this all untangled. So there's one on the loop here, and then look at this. She even put seed beads on the garment pins with smaller charms. So she used the aqua. I'm gonna bring this back over. And here is some birds right there, if I can see that. So those are birds. We have a large key here in the top. We have a bird cage right at the very top. Here's another butterfly. There is a dome square. It says dream. And I'm trying to make sure that we're in the camera here. And then there are several other smaller ones. It says hello, another charm there, a butterfly, and the number 9. Again, on garment pins with the aqua colored seed beads. This one over here has an insect, and I'm not sure what that is. It looks like one of those closure bars for necklaces. A dragonfly, which she included. I'm telling you, Carrie and I have swapped before, so I think she knows me a little bit there. And we talk online. Scrapbook.com has forums that are absolutely incredible. The women are so talented there. I am very blessed to be part of that group. So let me just make sure that you get to see all of that. So that is the yummy, yummy tassel. It is on, oh, I don't know what those things are called. It's like the keychain rings that you can separate. This could be used on something else. She used an eyelet there just to attach it. And that is my goodiness that Carri sent to me. And I hope you get to see all of this. This is mine, 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 mine. And I'm so excited. And then I want to show you the cards that she sent me as another little a goodie. So she made these also, tied these up. I have to be honest and say I'm not sure about the line of the stamps, but I do love them. She watercolored them, put the little banner stamp sentiments on them, and they are just as cute as pie. So that one says, thanks and hello. There is a fish and another hello, the yellow. I love the watercolor. And then she made some envelopes for me too. So I will be sure to use these. I can't wait, actually. And gives me great ideas for my own cards that I've never made like that. So I hope you enjoy this. I am absolutely thrilled and ecstatic to have received all of this wonderfulness from Carri. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you want to, consider subscribing, and you get to see more loaded envelopes that I make and others that other people send me. Thanks a lot.